Welcome to my channel. What is the best way to set up your Linksys Dual-Band Mesh Wi-Fi 6 router? 1. Unbox the router. Take out the Linksys Wi-Fi 6 router, power adapter, and Ethernet cable. 2. Connect to your modem. Plug one end of the Ethernet cable into your modem and the other into the router's Internet WAN port. 3. Power on the router. Connect the power adapter and turn on the router. Wait until the LED starts blinking purple, blue. 4. Download the Linksys app. Install the Linksys app from the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. 5. Create or log in to your Linksys account. Open the app and sign in, or create a new Linksys account. 6. Start router setup. Tap Set up a new Wi-Fi network and select your Linksys Mesh Wi-Fi 6 router. 7. Set Wi-Fi name and password. Create a strong Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password for your home network. 8. Wait for internet connection. The app will automatically detect your internet connection and configure settings. 9. Add mesh nodes, optional. If you have additional mesh nodes, follow the app instructions to add them for better coverage. 10. Finish and test the network. Once setup is complete, connect your devices and check Wi-Fi speed and coverage. Thanks for watching.